Education is a continuous process, and to keep it in progress, Prabhat Kids School, one of the finest schools in Maharashtra, has continued its solemn task of imparting quality education to students.
We are here to brief you about different scholastic, co-scholastic activities, programs and achievement of Prabhat Kids School. First, the highlights.
District level chess competition held at Prabhat.
Prabhat's 3 projects by budding scientists qualified for divisional level NCSC.
Prabhat launches plastic eradication project on Children's Day.
Talk show on Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's thought on education held.
Prabhat's Dehuti Bagde won district level elocation trophy.
Prabhatians shined in inter-school science and technology meet.
Prabhat's transport staff participated in a walkathon organized by RTO. Prabhat Kids School conducted Akola city level and district level chess competitions on November 28 and 29. These competitions were held under the aegis of Sport and Youth Service Directorate Pune by District Sport Council, District Sport Office and Prabhat Kids School. On the first day, Gyanchand Garg, President of Akola Janata Commercial Cooperative Bank, was present as chief guest, while District Sport Officer Satish Chandra Bhatt, City Chess Association President Sandeep Pondkar, Secretary Jitendra Agrawal, Chess Federation referees Chandrakant Patil, Praveen Thakre were chiefly present on the occasion, while Prabhat's Honorable Director Dr. Gajanan Nare presided over the program. The dignitaries inaugurated the competition by playing chess. On the first day, 360 students from different schools in Akola participated in the competition. On the second day, the inaugural function was graced by Advocate Moti Singh Mohta, President of the Berar Education Society, and Nikesh Gupta, President of Vidarbha Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Total 210 players from different parts of the district participated in the event.
प्रभात के बाल वैज्ञानिकों द्वारा तैयार किए गए 3 विज्ञान प्रकल्पों का चयन नेशनल चाइल्ड साइंस कांग्रेस आंचलिक स्तर के लिए किया गया है। ऑनलाइन रूप से संपन्न हुई जिला स्तरीय प्रतियोगिता में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन कर प्रभात के बाल वैज्ञानिकों ने यह यश प्राप्त किया। विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी विभाग, भारत सरकार द्वारा प्रतिवर्ष नेशनल चाइल्ड साइंस कांग्रेस का आयोजन किया जाता है। इसके अंतर्गत जिला स्तरीय प्रतियोगिता संपन्न हुई। प्रतियोगिता का मुख्य विषय मानव स्वास्थ्य और कल्याण में पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र का महत्व था। इसमें प्रथम ग्रुप में कक्षा 7वीं की आर्या राठी व मधुरा वाघ द्वारा घर के अंदर वायु संचार के लिए चारकोल का प्रयोग यह पर्यावरण पूरक प्रोजेक्ट प्रस्तुत किया गया। कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा भक्ति शर्मा और आशी गोयंका द्वारा प्याज की शेल्फ लाइफ बढ़ाने के लिए देसी कैंड का उपयोग प्रकल्प प्रस्तुत किया। इसी प्रकार कक्षा 9वीं के स्वयं अवचार और यश राठौड़ द्वारा कचरे के कागज से बहुउद्देशीय कार्डबोर्ड की निर्मित पर प्रकल्प प्रस्तुत किया गया। प्रभात के इन प्रकल्पों का चयन आंचलिक स्तर के लिए किया गया है।
To foster an awakening for a plastic-free world, Prabhat Kids School has launched an innovative plastic eradication project on the occasion of Children's Day. Students took an oath to conserve our surrounding by participating in a plastic-free project. This environment-friendly project has been conceptualized by Prabhat's Honorable Director Gajanan Nare. Under this project, students bring plastic waste from their home every Friday or Saturday. The collected plastic waste is recycled and sold, and the funds collected from this initiative would be utilized for different social activities. On the occasion, students were given an oath for making our surrounding plastic-free.
Children are the innocence of the present and destiny of the future. To celebrate Children's Day in an innovative way, Prabhat's teacher presented a rich cultural extravaganza and gave the message of environment conservation. On the onset, Principal Vrishali Wagmare paid rich tribute to first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. The colorful program of dance and songs was immensely enjoyed by the students.
Prabhat Kids School's brilliant orator Dehuti Bagde achieved the first prize in inter-school elocution competition organized by Babuji Deshmukh Vachanalay on Wednesday, November 30, 2022. Around 30 students participated in the competition. She eloquently spoke on the life and works of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and also won the trophy for a school. She received guidance from her father, Mr. Pramod Bagde, and Cultural Department Head Nandakishore Dambale. Prabhat's authorities and teachers have congratulated the achievers.
India's sovereignty has been sacrosanct after adopting the constitution. In view to highlight the importance of constitution, a program was held at the school assembly. On the onset, Principal Vrishali Wagmare offered a rich tribute to the architect of constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Arya Rati and Swada Ingde threw light on the rights and responsibilities safeguarded by our esteemed constitution. A documentary highlighting the importance of the constitution was also screened. On the occasion, students recited the preamble of Constitution. A quiz was also conducted on the occasion and the winners were also felicitated. School head girl Snehal Tiwari beautifully conducted the program.
In order to create public awareness about traffic rules, the Sub-Regional Transport Officer Office at Akola organized a walkathon on Sunday, November 20th. Prabhat's transport staff participated in the program and took oath for road safety. The event was held to observe the World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims. The District Legal Service Authority had conducted a guidance session on the Constitution. Civil Judge Mrs. Sheetal Bangad guided the students on different facets of our Indian Constitution. She called the Constitution a living document that protects the rights and duties of Indian citizens. The event was held as part of Constitution Day celebration. Advocate Seema Bajad of Akola Bar Association was present as chief guest. Principal Vrishali Wagmare presided over the program. Vice Principal Archana Belsare was chiefly present on the occasion. Students also interacted with the guests.
Architect of Indian Constitution, Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar immensely contributed in making of modern India. In view to salute him on the occasion of Mahaparinirvan Din on Tuesday, December 6, Prabhat Kids School Cultural Department organized a special talk show. Standard 8 students Rishit Kanani, Piyush Bajaj, Dhanashri Wakode, Kartiki Saraf, Ishwari Wakode and Dehuti Bagde participated in the talk show and threw light on inspiring thoughts and anecdotes in life of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. On the onset, Principal Vrishali Wagmare garlanded the image of Dr. Babasaheb and paid a rich tribute. Vice Principal Archana Belsare was chiefly present on the occasion.
Prabhat's brilliant students achieved laurels in Inter-School Science and Technology Meet 2022-23 organized by Shri Brijlal Biyani Nishu Nursery and Kothari Convent on Tuesday. Amiti Navkar achieved first rank and won the trophy, certificate and cash prize. Neelam Bhore, Aditya Mantri, Vedant Gadodia, Jeet Zhambad and Atharva Mirge also performed brilliantly in the competition and won the prizes.
Prabhat's budding singer Parinita Prashant Barapatre mesmerized the audience with her musical presentation in Akola Idol 2022 and won the second prize in Akola Idol state level singing competition. The competition was organized by Yuva Vicharpit Kala Sanskrit Sangh Akola at local IMA Hall on November 19. The event was held to mark the Amrit Mahotsav of Independence. In another event, Prabhat students achieved laurels in inter-school fancy dress competition organized by Lokmat Campus Club at local Khandelwal English School on November 26.
In order to make students' education blissful, an innovative Happy Street has been launched at Prabhat Kids School during parent-teacher meeting held on November 26. A large number of parents also visited Happy Street and enjoyed their musical and artistic exuberance. Happy Street serves as a platform for students to nurture their talent. Students can relish their free moments at school, mustering the fragrance of their creative spirit. Prabhat's academic assistant Manoj Sharma and Sanjeev Niatrale beautifully coordinated the initiative. Noted singer, composer Ghazal Nawaz Bhimrao Panchade paid a goodwill visit to Prabhat Kids School on Saturday, December 3, 2022. Professor Sudhakar Ambuskar, Senior Thespian Ashok Dehre accompanied them. Prabhat's Honorable Director Dr. Gajanan Nare warmly felicitated Ghazal Nawaz Bhimrao Panchade. Accepting request of Prabhat's teachers, he sang his beautiful new composition which received standing ovation.
या उन्हाने दिली ना फुलाने दिली.
He also interacted with language and music teachers on poetry teaching and shared a few tips for making poetry learning enriching. On 5th and 6th November, Rajyasthariya Yuva Sahitya Sammelan was held at Prabhat Kids School. Prabhat staff and SRC members took efforts in making this event a success. Just take a peek at this grand festival.
नभामध्ये जय घोष मराठी दुम दुम तो आईचा. नभामध्ये जय घोष मराठी दुम दुम तो आईचा.
हा उत्सव साहित्याचा, हा उत्सव तरुणाईचा, हा उत्सव साहित्याचा, हा उत्सव तरुणाईचा.
कुशीत फुलते येथे शुभ्र कपाशी. सातपुड्याच्या कुशीत फुलते येथे शुभ्र कपाशी. शेतकरी कष्ट तो कधी नारा हो कोणी उपाशी.
We are coming up with different sports achievement in different national, state and district level tournaments in our next bulletin.
Keep watching, stay healthy.
And don't forget to subscribe to Prabhat's YouTube bulletin.
Thank you.